Welcome to our Pharmacy Dispensary. This room is used throughout the pharmacy course, but primarily used in the early years of the course to help train pharmacy students to be familiar with a pharmacy dispensary. In this room, they will dispense medicines, which means they will check prescriptions, label the medicines, get the medicines and give them to patients. The pharmacy dispensary is very versatile. We can set it up to mimic a consultation room, so we can help our students practice their communication skills with patients. We can also set it up with small bays so they can practice clinical assessment skills such as taking a blood pressure. The pharmacy dispensary is only one of the rooms we use to help train our pharmacy students. We also use the Edith Cavell building, which is an entire simulation suite, which mimics community pharmacies, hospital wards and residential domiciliary visiting facilities. Throughout the pharmacy course here at UEA, it's really important that our graduates can hit the ground running and can do the job from day one. So the dispensary mimics real practice, and the simulation suite enables our students to immerse themselves in real life practice early in their training.